All right, guys, so if you never changed yours back to Essentials, then you don't have to do this next step. But now that you're done, you've edited Bart, now we need to make him move so that when we open this up, he paints MTMS rocks. So we're going to go to Motion up here. And what happens is then every layer becomes a step in your timeline, a part of your timeline. So what we're going to do is choose these 3 little layers here and choose Select All Frames, and then you do the same little menu there and you do Delete All Frames or Delete Frames. Okay? Yep, you do. Now what you need to do is tell it to make frames from your layers. So create new layer, make frames from layers. So click that. There. Now it should look a little bit better there towards the end. Okay, so right now Bart's going to be on there for 0 seconds. So that's going to move pretty quickly. So we're going to select all your frames here. So you can just use your Shift key to click them all. Or again, you could hit Select All Frames. Either way, works for me. Okay, and then go back to your very first one, and it suggests you do 0.2. It's kind of up to you. That just depends on how fast you want Bart to paint. And then you just hit play and watch your stop motion. And I don't know why it adds those graphics like that. Those like little pixels. Kind of upset about that, but I could go through and clean it up if I wanted to, but I'm going to be okay with it for now. And again, if you want to move him, if you want him to be painting faster, you could just do your stop frames faster. All right, so we do, I forgot to tell you to tell it to loop forever. So I'm going to click on a frame, and then again with them all selected, sorry. If you go to Other, no, that's not right. Oh, right here. Sorry. It changed there. So we'll either loop once, loop 3 times, or play forever. You want to play forever. Or I guess you could only have it do 3 times, up to you. All right, so now what we need to do, so I would hit save here, so in case there's any mistakes, you can go back. So save your Photoshop. Now you need to save it as a GIF here. So you're going to go to File, Save As. No, I lied. File, Export, Save for Web. Okay, and then you just leave all this stuff the same and hit save. And this is where you're telling it you want it to save it. So again, you want to choose your choose your desktop, and then you can move it from your desktop to your, oh, there's my OneDrive, to your OneDrive later if it doesn't give you your options there. So then find your Bart folder. And I'm going to name it, yeah, Bart Simpson. I'm going to take out the edit. Okay, and then hit save. So what should happen then is in like a PowerPoint here, I can go to Insert, Pictures, go to my Bart folder, my 8th Computers folder. Remember, he's not going to move here, but when I go here to display, look, he paints. Pretty cool.